Hello guys. Now I'd like to talk to you about a new feature that's available in Codename One called Pull to Refresh. Now, Pull to Refresh is a common feature that Twitter came up with, where you can essentially pull the top of the screen and have the UI refresh with new information from the server or from any sort of source, essentially. And it's a really cool feature that's baked right into Codename One, implemented by Hen recently in our latest version. So how do we integrate that? Well, it's really simple. So this is a Hi World application. You'll notice there is really nothing here. The only thing that I actually did here was define the layout of the form to be box layout Y, which will be easier, and I kept it all scrollable just like you would expect normally. So let's go into the form and create a before show method in Netbeans. And now I'm going to go into Netbeans, and as you can see I have a before main method. So the next thing I want to do is take this form and make it final. So I'll be able to access it from the inner class. And I'm going to add to get the content pane. And the way forms are built, the area right here, that's the content pane. There is the area that's scrollable. Not the whole form is scrollable, just this area. See the content pane here? We keep it sort of invisible for you guys. But sometimes you have to access it directly to do all sorts of things, and this is one of those times you want to get access to the actual scrollable component, not the form. So I'm going to add a pull to refresh listener, and this is just as simple as that, and create a new runnable. Now this runnable will be pulled when a pull to refresh event occurs. That means when the user pulls to refresh, you'll get a call to run. That's everything you need to know. And I'm going to just add a component. I'm not going to do the whole networking thing. There's a separate tutorial about networking. I'm just going to add a component at the top. And this is the simplest way to do it. Normally, you would refresh a model in the list, or you do a networking connection. But I just want to make something that's really, really, really simple. And the get content. So here I want to add a number to the button that I'm adding that will make it visible that a new button was added. And this isn't enough, because when we add a component we need to revalidate after adding a component. So that will seal the deal essentially. So now I'm just going to run this project, and what you'll see is essentially the Codename One simulator, and it seems like, there's nothing new here. It's just a blank iOS screen with nothing in it. But the addictive feature is that when you pull down, you actually see this great arrow and release to refresh. And I'll release it, and up, we've added a new button. And I'll do it again, up, a new one, and a new one. And this can become really, really addictive after a while. I am thinking about releasing it to the App Store as a game, because I just can't stop playing with it myself. Really, really cool. So thanks for watching, and I hope you'll get addicted to this just as I have gotten addicted to it myself, and that I've completely destroyed your workday with you actually playing, trying to pull to refresh constantly and not being able to stop. So thank you, and enjoy the rest of your unproductive day.